Alright y'all, let's glitter these Valentine acrylic blanks using Crystalac Grand Finale and Diamonds 2.0 glitter from the Glitter Heart Company. I am using a heat gun here just to kind of warm up my bottle of Grand Finale. Very little. Don't sit there and overheat your product. That will damage it. So if your heat gun gets hot like really fast and you're going to do this, hold it further away. Just let it blow some hot air towards it for a little while just to take the chill off of your bottle and make your product easier to work with. Now, my method of glittering is I like to mix my glitter directly into Grand Finale. And I also fold it into the Grand Finale. I don't stir my mixture very quickly because that will cause more bubbles. So I try to minimize bubbles from even happening, to begin with. You will see some, but I just, like I said, I fold my glitter and I just go slowly with it. Also, I like to let some of my mixture sit for a little while before I start to apply them to my acrylic blanks. That way the glitter is really soaking into the Grand Finale and getting nice and wet. Now when you pour your mixture onto your acrylic blank, you don't want it to be super runny to where it automatically just starts to spread everywhere and spill over the edges. You want sort of like a honey-like consistency with your mixture. You want to be able to pour it, easily move it, but control where it's going. So you don't need a very thick, clumpy mixture. It needs to just be easy enough to spread. And then if I see any bubbles immediately surface, what you saw me do here is I just scoop them up with my little silicone stir stick, and that's it. Like if I see any bubbles come up, I just scrape them off really quickly and then I let them start drying. Now, I also want to stress again that I make sure my blanks are sanded very well, especially along the edges, because when you're applying your mixture, you may see that if you don't have your acrylic sanded well, then that mixture is going to start to pull away from those edges either immediately or it will pull away when it's drying. So I've noticed whenever I sand my blanks, I use 220 grit and then I use 120 grit along the edges only, and that keeps my mixture nice and well put when I'm applying and when it's drying. Also, I like to try to batch glitter, so I will find what acrylics I think I might want in a certain glitter and do several at one time. That way I already have several acrylics nice and ready to go for whenever I'm ready to do vinyl in between my orders. Thanks for watching.